next piece of equipment is our seated leg curl. So this is kind of how it sounds. This is going to be working the back of the leg. You have a large muscle back here called your hamstring. So the way that you get into this machine is you come up alongside of it like so, have a seat. First thing I'd recommend on this machine is setting your weight. Now once again, it's best to start light, move your way up, but with this particular machine, you're going to want enough weight so it actually counterbalances the weight of your leg. Otherwise, you're not going to be seated in it properly. So personally, for this one, I'm about 150 pounds. I'm going to be putting on 90 pounds of resistance so that it sets up properly for me. So I'm going to take a hold of these two levers here. There's one on your right, one on your left, and this controls the bar that your legs are going to be resting on. So once you press it forward, you take your feet up to where it's resting right against the back of your ankles. This middle bar here should be hitting you right above the knee. So there's an adjuster here as well on the bar. This will move your seat forward and back. And what you do is you would just take and curl under. And you hold on to this bar as you're doing the motion. Once again, just hit your reps, hit your sets, and you're ready to go. There is one other adjustment on this particular machine, and that's for the ankle itself. This guy has a little dial here on the end, which if you pull out, you can move back or move forward to make a finer adjustment so it hits you directly on the back of the ankle. So for our next piece of equipment, we have our prone leg curl. This guy is also used for the hamstring, which is located on the back of your leg. What you would do with this one is we adjust your first dial here. This is going to be landing on the back of your ankle, and then you use your second adjuster here to bring it in closer to the body or further away. So I have this one set up for my height currently. This little yellow guy here, this little dial, you want to make sure that it's lining up right to the side of your knee to protect your knee. So you come into position like so, laying down, and you just grab a hold of your handles after you've adjusted your proper weight, and then you start into your repetitions. Now I would recommend going all the way up and all the way down with this one, so you get that full range of motion, you get a nice big squeeze. This piece of equipment is used for what's called your adductors, also most commonly called the inside of the leg. The way you get into this guy is you come around to the center, have a seat, and then just take one leg out, put it to the outside of the pad, put the leg out, outside of the pad. Granted, after you've selected your appropriate weight, and then just give it a squeeze until you bring them together. Now this one has a couple of adjusters on it. The adjusters allow you to go for a wider stance or a narrower stance. Now there's two, and they both adjust independently. So you want to make sure that if over here you're on a 5, over here you're also on a 5. Once again, you just bring your legs up, give them a squeeze together, and then open them up all the way again, and repeat.